Hi Mrs. Farm, I'm Shavin.
And I'm Songmin. So in this video, we are going to talk about coral reefs and mangroves.
Yes.
So our first topic is about coral reefs.
From far, corals may look like colorful plants, but they are actually animals. They are made up of thousands of polyps and they have tentacles that kills whatever it touches. Corals are mostly located between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. In the Coral Triangle, there are 76% of the world's coral species. Corals live in an environment where the temperature is about 17 to 18 degrees Celsius. Many people might not know this, but inside the corals, there are algae. Like other plants, algae photosynthesize to produce food. The corals then take up to 90% of the food they produce. This is why algae is their main source of food.
Coral reefs are helpful. They are helpful for humans, animals, and to the environment. Firstly, they allow a wide range of marine creatures to breed and nursery. Coral reefs provide habitats and food to marine creatures. Moreover, coral reefs protect the coast against erosion by absorbing waves energy. We can also talk about the tourist attraction due to its beautiful scenery and beautiful colors that they have. People made them into jewelry and ornaments for sales purposes. However, they are facing some pressures. Firstly, people are collecting corals for personal or commercial use. The overcollection of corals weakens them and disrupts the coral ecosystem and making them more vulnerable to threats. Not only this causes them to become endangered, but also because of fishing method. Nowadays, humans are blasting the bombs into the sea to catch more fishes. This method can destroy the coral reef's habitats. Moreover, humans are dumping rocks and sand onto reefs for reclamation and extension of land. This will cause coral reefs to suffocate and destroy.
When temperature rises, corals expel algae inside them. This causes corals to lose their main source of food. Due to the insufficient of nutrition, corals then turn white, as you can see in this image. These are some fun facts about coral reefs that you might not know. Number 1. Coral reefs are the largest structures on the Earth's biological origins. Number 2. Their natural colors come from the algae inside them. Number 3. Coral reefs grow very slowly at an average speed of only 2 centimeters per year. Number 4. There are 3 main types of coral reefs: fringing reefs, barrier reefs, and coral atolls. Fringing reefs are found right along the coastline. Barrier reefs help to protect lagoons and other types of shallow water. Coral atolls are made from volcanic remains. Now we are going to move to another topic, which is about mangroves.
Mangroves are very unique and special compared to other trees. As mangrove species are salt tolerant, they can grow in tidal mud on sheltered coasts and saline environment where most plants are unable to grow. Mangroves help to stabilize shorelines, protect coastal area from erosion, act as breeding ground and habitat for marine creatures, and they can provide wood for fuel, construction, and for producing charcoal. They are mostly located between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Now we are going to present about value of mangroves, pressure on mangroves, and fun facts.
Mangroves have 2 types of leaves. First are salt secretors. They excrete excess salt on the leaves, which are then removed by wind or rain. Second are ultrafiltrators. They absorb salt, then remove the excess salt by storing it in old leaves, then fall off. The fruit of mangroves have 2 values. The first value is that they are buoyant, meaning that they are able to float which allows wave and current to carry them away to new location where they take root. The second value is that they are elongated, which means that they have sharp tips to anchor them to the soft mud. Mangroves have three types of roots. Firstly are their arrow roots. Arrow roots are exposed from the ground, allowing them to take in oxygen. Secondly are their slit or pop roots. These roots anchor the tree firmly in the muddy soil. Thirdly are their knead roots. They provide firm support on the soft soil. Like us humans, mangroves have pressures that they have to face every day. Firstly is the clearing of mangroves. Mangroves are being cleared for fuel, charcoal, agriculture, and many more. This causes fish breeding ground to decrease, and coasts become more open to storm waves. Secondly is the conversion to other land uses. Well-watered mangroves are converted into paddy fields and shrimp farms, causing the coast to become much more vulnerable. Thirdly is the coastal development. This includes land reclamation for housing, industrial, and recreational uses. This causes the coastal water to be polluted as a result of human activities. Lastly is rising sea levels. Rising of sea levels and extreme storm activities are likely to occur in the near future if climate change accelerates. This causes mangroves to have trouble colonizing areas further inland.
We have prepared 3 different fun facts that you may not know. First, the largest amount of mangroves coverage can be found in Indonesia, where mangrove trees cover 23,000 square kilometers. That's more than twice the size of Jamaica, or roughly the size of Vermont. Secondly, according to research, mangrove trees are one of the best trees in the world for sequestering carbon dioxide, a climate-altering greenhouse gas. Lastly, mangroves can be made into honey. Some types of mangrove, in particular black and white mangroves, produce flowers from which bees can collect pollen. This pollen is then turned into honey. It turns out, mangroves are pretty sweet.
Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notification.
And if you like our video, please give us a 1.
3, 2, 1.
감사합니다.